Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is DIY with Regina Manka. So guys, you remember my last DIY? I made this crushed wall mirror plus a candle holder that you guys liked so much. So I thought I should also do a console table that will go well with our crushed mirror. So now we have a set of these crushed decors in my home. We have a floor lamp, a candle holder, a console table, and a mirror. So today I'm gonna show you how to make this console table, and for those who didn't watch my other videos, the link will be in my description box. Unique items used in these projects are these three types of kitchen tiles. We have this one here, the small crystal tiles, and 3 by 12 inches subway tiles. I'm so happy to say that you can get all these from D-Flat store. The link will be in the description box. Kindly leave my name when you place your orders on D-Flat website. You can just write Regina Manka. This console will need 3 rectangular boxes, and we're gonna start with the base. And here we have 6 pieces of wood. Measurements are 60 by 30 centimeters, 60 by 5.1 centimeters, and 26.4 by 5.1 centimeters. We're gonna attach these pieces together, and when you do so, now the base will be 60 by 30 by 7.5 centimeters. Also, you guys, it is important to make these pilot holes for screws. And that is it, guys. Now we're gonna attach this small piece of wood to the base, and its measurements are 25 by 10 centimeters, and also it has a thickness of 5 centimeters. This means we need long screws to attach it. So I did this to make sure the piece sits at the center of the base. At this point, the base is strong enough to hold anything, and now let's move to the next one. Its measurements are 50 by 17.6 centimeters, 42 by 17.6 centimeters, and 50 by 45 centimeters. When we bring these pieces together, the full box will give us 50 by 20 by 45 centimeters. And then guys, to make this box strong, I attached like 3 pieces of wood to the inner part. Again, here mark your lines, then place the base at the very center of the second box, and remember to make pilot holes for the screws. We have another piece, same size as the first one. It measures 25 by 10 centimeters. We're gonna place it at the top center of the second box. Make your pilot holes first, followed by the long screws. After that, I covered the back of the box with the extra piece. This is our third and the last box. The measurements are 120 by 30 centimeters, 120 by 5.1 centimeters, and 26.4 by 5.1 centimeters. When we attach the pieces together, we will have 120 by 30 by 7.5 centimeters. Before we cover the box, we're gonna attach it to this wood right here. And after that, you can now cover it, and here we have a strong console. Now we are ready to stick mirrors on this wooden console, but before we do so, we're gonna paint its edges black. Just keep the coat light so that it can dry quickly and the paint doesn't drip. Now I'm going to cover this console completely with mirror pieces that I ordered from a burst glass. And the size of this mirror is 30 by 25 centimeters. We're gonna use these subway tiles. You can purchase your pieces from D-Flat stores as I told you earlier. Don't forget to leave my name when you place your orders. Here are my pieces. I first marked my area, then the areas that couldn't fit a full piece of tile, I reduced it to size using a glass cutter. And now as we wait for the glue to cure, I'm gonna decorate this area using crystal tiles. I have another set of mirrors from a bus glass. Now I'll be working on the base, the center box and the console top. I'm gonna use my tape to hold the mirrors in place till the glue cures completely. And for these sides, I'll be using 3 by 12 inches subway tiles. This is how our console turned out. I'm so glad that now I have my console plus mirror set. I'd like to hear from you guys, so leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this project, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye guys.